Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be making some nachos. And we're going to be using some Tostitos, lightly salted nacho chips. We're going to be adding some diced tomatoes. And let me show that to you, some diced tomatoes. And some diced jalapeno that I have right here. Okay, diced tomatoes, diced jalapeno, some diced avocado, some ground meat with taco seasoning in it, some corn, and some of the salsa mix that we use for tacos. All right, so you're looking for an easy week. This is very easy for a weeknight dinner. All you have to do is dice everything up real quick, and brown your ground meat, and this is perfect for a weekend dinner also. Okay, so all right, so we're gonna start with the nachos, and we're gonna make this like a lasagna. So we're gonna layer it like a lasagna. We're gonna put down first one layer of the nacho chips. I'm looking at it because they're called tortilla chips. Okay, I don't know why I call them nachos. All right, so some of them went in the corn here. Okay, so here we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna add, I also have cheese. We're gonna be adding cheese to this. I have some taco cheese. Okay, so it's a blend of cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack cheese and some taco seasonings. And then I've got sharp cheddar. Alright, so let's see, what do we start with? Alright, let's start with a little bit of cheese. And also I buttered the pan on the bottom and on the sides so that the tortilla chips do not stick to it. Okay, we're gonna add some of the ground meat. I figure we can get maybe 3 layers out of here, so let's divide this into thirds maybe. Let's try that. Okay. And I hope you guys are in frame. Let me just check real quick. Okay, that's good. Alrighty. Then we're gonna add a little bit of the salsa. This is mild. And not much, because usually I like to heat it up, but just want to make this quickly right now. It's Friday and I just, want to be out of the kitchen real quick. And some of the tomato, diced tomato. Avocado is only going to be going in half of this because I'm the only one that's going to be eating the avocado. So I'm just going to put avocado on some of it. Also, same thing with the jalapeno. With the diced jalapeno, same thing. It's only going to go on part of this. Okay, then we've got the corn. And the corn is going to go all over the tortillas. Okay guys, if you've ever made this, let me know how you make yours. And this is also a fun dinner. This is something fun to eat. Come home on a Friday, you want to start your weekend and put on a movie or watch a game, whatever the case may be, and enjoy your tortilla chips. and it would have been nicer to have a deeper dish or foil pan, because then I would have been able to make more layers. I think I can only get maybe maybe 3 layers out of this. Okay, and again with the ground meat. Sorry about that. Ground meat. And guys, I want to let you know that I've been enjoying your comments, and I happy you guys are very generous, you know, thumbing up my videos, and I see it lets me know what you enjoy watching, and you know, and it gives me a clue what you like to watch me cook and what I can come up with in the future. So thank you for that, and enjoy, you know, keep up the comments, keep something that I like to read through, and I respond to every comment. I enjoy reading and responding to them. Okay, a little bit of salsa on this, the taco sauce, just a sprinkle. Don't like putting a lot. Okay, and a little bit of cheese. And I almost forgot. Okay, avocado on this side. Okay. Oops. A little bit of cheese. And you know, I'm also interested in what you guys like to make also on Friday nights. You know, to start off your weekend. You know, let me know in the comments what you make. Okay, and also, now it's going to be a little bit, I should have lined this with parchment paper so I can get that. It'll be easier to get that 3rd layer. But anyway, I'm going to go in with a 3rd layer. This will be our last layer. Okay. And I think I forgot to put corn in that last layer, but that's fine. Okay. Just gonna have to be careful how I cover this. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit tricky. Okay guys, so we're back. So as you can see, I lined the aluminum foil pan with some parchment paper to make it a little bit taller so I can have a little bit more space. But now in the future, I know, you know, get a deeper dish. I usually use a deeper aluminum foil pan, but I couldn't find one this time. So I'll have to remember next time, make sure that I have one. All right, so again, I'm gonna add a little bit of the taco sauce. Okay, and you know what? I can actually add a few more tortillas in there. Let's put a little bit more. Okay, there you go. Okay, and it's just like a lasagna, just like making a lasagna. Okay, and we're gonna add our ground meat first. And I better not forget the corn, because I think I forgot the corn in the 2nd layer. I'm not sure. Okay. Just like a lasagna. we're gonna add our corn. And I'm hoping that I've got the avocado on the right side, because I'm the one that's going to be eating that. So I'm planning several different recipes coming up, and one of them I'm really excited about, and that's the cheesecake recipe. I've made that a few times before, and I really like making cheesecake. And I'm also going to be making danishes, and what else do I have planned? Okay, here go my little jalapenos, danishes, oh, and also maybe an apple pie and sweet potato pie. Okay, and let me wash my hands real quick. Okay, let me open up this other cheese. Alrighty. And we've got cheese here on top. Now I like to also sometimes make a cheese, like a cheese sauce with a little bit of milk or cream and the cheese. And I make a roux first to make my little cheese sauce, but I didn't want to spend the time to do that today, but I will. Oh, this does smell like, you know what, this cheese it does have taco seasonings in it, like it says. I smell it. Okay, that's interesting. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this and put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, just for everything to come together. And then I'll take, maybe uncover it for a little bit, and then I'll take it out. Okay guys, so we're done. Our nachos are ready. I just took them out of the oven. 350 degrees for 20 minutes, covered. And I was gonna leave them uncovered for a while, but I like the way they look. So, just gonna take a little bit out and see how they taste. Okay, let me just show them up on the camera so you can see what they look like. Let me make sure you're in range there. Yeah. See if I can hold on to this. Okay, that's what they look like. Oops. Okay, that's what, let me see if I can get closer. All right. Maybe I can move the camera a little bit. Let's see. All right. Okay, I don't know if you can see it from there. Okay, that's about as close as I can get. All right. Just like a lasagna, we're going to go cut down through the layers. Okay. Okay, now these are really loaded nachos. Everything is on these nachos. Okay, and again, if there's anything else that you like on your nachos, you can, use that. Any other vegetables, seasonings. Okay, you're just gonna make it to your taste. Okay, that's what that looks like. Okay, there you go. I don't know why my camera is so far off to the right. All right. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.